Understanding the phrase, monkey graft. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a rather interesting phrase, monkey graft. This phrase might sound a bit peculiar, but it's packed with meaning and history. Let's dive in and unravel its mysteries together. Monkey graft is an idiomatic expression that is not commonly used in everyday English. In fact, it appears to be a mix-up of two different phrases, monkey business and graft. Monkey business typically refers to silly, mischievous, or deceitful behavior. On the other hand, graft can mean hard work, but in some contexts, especially in British English, it can also refer to corrupt practices or bribery. Understanding the origins of idioms can often be as tricky as the idioms themselves. For monkey graft, since it's not a standard phrase, we'll look at the origins of its components. The term monkey business originated in the late 19th century in America, often used to describe frivolous or deceitful activities. Graft, with its meaning of corruption, also originated around the same time, particularly in political contexts. As monkey graft isn't a standard phrase, using it might cause confusion. However, if you wish to use it creatively, ensure your audience understands the context. You might say, "There's a lot of monkey graft in this industry," implying mischievous and potentially corrupt practices. Remember, clarity is key in communication, especially when using non-standard phrases. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, monkey graft. Remember, language is not just about rules and grammar. It's also about culture, history, and sometimes, a bit of fun. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of English idioms and expressions. See you in the next video.